half a set of tires. I can't do that side quick. I'll maybe record some of it. Who knows? But make sure you always get your tires retorqued after you. Make sure you get your tires retorqued after you get them changed, after 150 kilometers, just to make sure that they set. Especially Hondas. We've seen so many of the Hondas that come back loose. I want to make sure you don't lose a tire on the road. A, you're not gonna like me even though it's not my fault. B, you're also not gonna be happy because the wheel fell off while you're trying to go somewhere. And C, it's not fun because it could hit someone and I don't want that to happen. Either way, be safe, have a great day. Ciao.